Okay, guys, this is Mr. Great here in Mr. Great Studio. Okay, once again, I'm here to discuss about gears and gadgets we use in our studio and how you can actually, let me increase the volume, how you can actually cut cost on your gears and gadgets. So that's what I'm here for. So today is all about the gears and gadgets. And as a content creator, you have to be budget conscious. So for me, I'm a budget conscious I'm a budget conscious content creator. So I'm conscious about whatever thing I'm doing. I'm budget conscious about whatever thing I'm doing. The gears I'm buying and a lot of uh, a lot of gears are in the market. Some of them, you buy them, you discover that you don't need them. So before I spend my money, I have to do research and know, is there a cheaper way of doing it, still retaining the quality, and I'm quality conscious too, not only budget conscious. So quality matters in this content creation. If you're coming out in Facebook, YouTube, you're creating content, meaningful content, you have to be conscious about the quality and also the price tag, about budget, so that you will not waste money buying a lot of things. At the end of the day, there are cheaper gadgets that can still do the job perfectly well. So I made a video before. I made a video about Infinite Note 50 Pro. Yes, Infinite Note 50 Pro, the 4G, not the 5G, the 4G. So I said that phone is a beast. That phone can do a lot of, as a content creator, if you don't have any phone and you wanted to buy a phone for content creation, just go for that phone. It will save you money to buy other gears because you don't just only need a phone for content creation. So you need other gears because you don't know, you don't know. Uh-huh. You don't know, you don't know. That's why you think that when you have an iPhone or Samsung S25 Ultra, you are good to go. You have to buy mic, you have to buy gimbal, you have to consider all those things so that your content will look super good. So I'm here to just bring the economics of content creation to you, economics of the gears and gadgets. So I will explain it to you because you don't have that information. That's why you must have been making that mistake. Okay, for example, I have this DJI Mini 4 combo. So this DJI RS4 Mini combo. So this gadget here you see now can do amazing wonders. You can see it mounted on a camera tripod stand. Okay, let me show you. So this is the carton. Okay, so you see these gadgets. I will tell you why I bought this gadget. I will tell you. I will discuss it. Okay, for example, this gadget is around 700 to 800k, depending where you're buying it from. Nigeria, naira. You can research and see how much it is now. But as the point, as of the point I'm making this video, some stores will say 700k, some stores will say 800k, depending on where you're buying it from. So now this gadget, you see, I bought it because the payload of this gimbal is 2k. That is a 2k, yeah, so 2 kg. So that's the payload. So it can work with my mirrorless camera and it can also work with my phone. And it also, I go for the combo version of it because the combo, let me just be showing you so that you'll be seeing it. So the combo, this is the combo version of it because the combo has the tracking mode, the AI tracking. You can see this is the AI tracking. Let me show you. This is the AI tracking device on it. So this is the AI tracking device on it. So I will still open it up and show you the features, but this is not tutorial for DJI Mini 4 combo. This is not the tutorial for it. Okay, DJI RS4 Mini. Sorry, RS4 Mini. So this is not a tutorial for it, but I will show you the features that this gears and gear can, the wonders that it can perform. Okay, so let me come back to myself and I will explain. So now you need a mic. So all these are quality products in the market. So it's not anyhow products. These are quality products. So I have this mic which I'm using now. I will show you. So this is it. This is Rode Wireless Pro. So you can see this is DJI. You can see DJI. Good. Let me just show you something on the Rode Wireless Pro. Okay, so Rode Wireless Pro. So this is the Rode handle. So this is the handle where this guy enters. This is where he enters. This is where I slot in the Rode Wireless microphone. So you have these packs inside. You have this pack. This one is for the gears, is for the accessories. One is for the microphone. So you see how it looks like. So I still have one of the mic still. Then it comes with 2 mic and 1 receiver. So okay, so it's an expensive mic anyway, quite all right. It's a mic of I think that should be with everything. With this, I bought 2 of these are around 60,000 K in Nigeria. Okay, so I bought the 2 of them, making it a 120K, and I have this guy. It's around 700K. So everything should be around 800 with this. So you might still buy cheaper because my source and your source might not be the same. Okay, Nigeria is you can still buy cheaper, and you can still even buy 50,000 naira less than what I bought that based on your location. Okay, I'm in Port Harcourt, so if you're in Lagos, it might be cheaper there. Okay, good and fine. Now, I'm just trying to show you that so that I will tell you that you need more gears than using your phone, so that if you're cutting cost, you know where you're cutting cost. To me, if I have iPhone 16 Pro Max, I have not bought, but I'm planning to buy iPhone 16 Pro Max. No need. Don't buy again. Go for this one. Because we are trying to be budget conscious. Go for this phone. Infinix Note 50 Pro. I will show you the amazing wonders I'm doing with this phone. I have cameras, so I have the one I'm using to capture. The one I'm using to capture this one is Canon XA11. This one I'm using to capture myself, my headshot video, is Canon M50 Mark II. Go and check the prices of these cameras. They are not cheap cameras. Okay, but they are entry-level cameras, but they are not cheap. Okay, good and fine. They are mid-range camera anyway. Let me say mid-range cameras. They are not cheap. So, okay. Now, I want something that at a glance, I don't need to connect all these gears, because for me to set up these cameras, put it in a 10 Mini Pro. I have a 10 Mini Pro with me here. So let me show you. So you can see. So I have a 10 Mini Pro with me. I'm using it to capture. You can see I capture myself. Then I capture my screen. Okay, this is what I'm using to capture, to do all these things. So for me to set up this guy here, which is a 10 Mini Pro, you find out that I actually need to spend time to set up these gadgets. You understand? But if I need something at a glance, I want to create content. I don't need all these things, lighting, set up all these things, be in the studio. So this is where phone comes in. So phone makes it easy for you to create content. Phone just makes it easy for you to create content, and you are good to go. Okay, you are using phone, you need a gimbal. So because your hand will be shaking. So the stabilizer in this phone is not all that good. No phone has the super stabilizer, image stabilizer. So you need a gimbal. A gimbal will capture your phone. We capture your image will look like cinematic in nature. So you have a cinematic. Sorry, I'm looking at the screen. You have a cinematic look in your image. So you have a cinematic look in your image. So that's why you need a gimbal. So DJI Osmo Mobile 7 is good. It's good. You have an AI tracking device that can track your face. Wherever you're going, it will be tracking you. So you can keep it, it will be tracking you, moving along with your image. Understand? Just like this one here, DJI RS4 Mini Combo has the same. The combo version of it has the AI tracking. This is the AI tracking. Let me show you. This is the tracking device on it. Let me show you. So this guy here, you see it looks like a small camera. So this is the tracking device on it. So I'm building a case. You follow me. Okay. So now you need that gimbal, you mount your phone on it. So I have this phone with me, which is Infinix Note 50 Pro. I shot on this phone. I use a Blackmagic camera app. I use a Blackmagic camera app. Let me open it and show you. Okay. Good and fine. Okay, so I use a, this is it. This is Blackmagic camera app on it. So you can see. So I use Blackmagic camera app. This is how it looks like. So you see the features of the app. You can enable you to shoot on manual. You set your aperture. You set your shutter speed. You set your shutter angle. You select your frames per second, your ISO, your white balance. So you do all these things with your phone. And the image is super. I don't know how to explain the image quality. It looks good. You can't even know that you shoot that quality with a mobile phone. Talk less of Infinix, because when I mention Infinix, some people will say, Infinix care. Infinix, not even Samsung, not even iPhone. Good and fine. Go and try out and see. You will come back and thank me. I'm not telling you what I've not experienced. Everything I'm telling you is what I'm using. As this phone, when it came out on March, I bought it. I think that should be April. So from April till now, this is September, I've been using it. So I've been experimenting on it. I said, okay, let me experiment on it before I can do review on it. Let me just experiment. Let me use it. Let me see, will there be any technical glitches? Will there be any something like that, any stuff like that? But I can tell you that there is no issue. There is no issue. So everything is working perfectly well. There is no issue. So I use it with the Blackmagic camera app. I use ProTech. I use the Shaw Multi Video. I use all the third-party app. They are working. They are good. Okay, now very simple. This is where the magic is now, because when you talk of spending money on buying spending money on buying a Samsung, iPhone, at the end of the day, by the time you combine all the money you spent on your gears, you find out that you are running in millions, while somebody with less money can still achieve better. So it's not the gears that is doing the job for you. What is doing the job for you is your head. It's your head. It's your mindset. It's your talent. It's your skills. So understand, get the information first. As you got the information, then you are good to go. The information will help you with your talent, with your skills. Then you have a better result. You have a better content. You have a better result. So it's all about getting the best of the results. So it's all about getting the best of the results. So if you don't have the information, just like I'm giving you now, you don't even know that all these things are existing and you need them. You need a quality mic. Forget about all those cheap mics that you see people put on this thing. You cannot get this type of audio quality. Yes, you cannot get this type of audio quality. So you can see. Let me bring it down a little bit since like it's high. Okay, so you cannot get this type of audio quality. So if we want this type of audio quality, you need to invest on a quality mic. Just like I invested on Rode, it's a quality mic. So when investing, it will not be easy for you, but you need to do that. So because I'm going to explain to you all the things I'm using and their cost. So you calculate for yourself. You know that you don't need expensive gears. For example, I'm using MacBook Pro 2017, dedicated graphic memory of 4 gig. That is a GPU of 4 gig. You have a processor. Let me just show you. You don't need to be telling you all these things. So look at it. Look at what I'm using. So I'm using it in my studio. So let me keep it one side. So there's another one at the back here. There's another one in the back. The same thing, 2017. This to capture Logic. This capture Logic. So the other one is for the guys that comes to the other side of the studio that's making this. So I'm using this one as my personal PC. This one I'm using now to capture. This one as my personal PC. So I use Mac. So I use Apple. I like Apple products. So when I tell you something about Apple, you know that I'm using it. It's what I'm using. It's what I use every day. I understand much of their ecosystem. So they have a very good ecosystem. So you can see I'm using DaVinci Resolve, and there are other video editing softwares that you can use. The other video editing software that sorry. Okay, so you can see there are other video editing softwares that you can also use. And they make sense. So I'm using DaVinci Resolve. So this is how I do my video, and so I edit them. I do. Okay, so you can see me here. Okay, so let's keep that one aside. Let's keep that one aside and go for the business of today. So just like I told you, the specification of this Mac is so this is processor is 2.9 gigahertz, which is Intel Core i7. Then you have the graphics, which is the dedicated graphic memory with the GPU of 4 gig, and they have the normal graphics, which is the Intel graphics. This is Radeon Pro 564 gig. The Intel graphics is 1.536 gig. Then you have memory of 16 gig. Then you have an hard drive of 512 gig, which is SSD of 512 gig. Okay, so I know I'm telling you the specification or the spec of this laptop so that I will tell you how I cut my cost, how I was able to cut down on a lot of things, because I know that I needed not one, not two of this laptop to suit in my workflow, to suit in my workflow. So I need more than one, I need more than two, I even need more than three because of the things I'm doing. Okay, so this is how I cut down on cost. So I decided to go for this one, which is the fairly, you can't see this one new one now, you see it in open box, fairly used, but try as much as you can, know your source, know where you are getting it, so that a lot of junks are in fairly use of Apple products. So you buy today, tomorrow it's not going to work. So be careful where you're getting it. You can DM me, you can chat me up if you want to get one. I can help you out and get for you. So because I've had some useless experience and I don't want anybody to repeat that experience again. It was not good. I end up spending money 2 times. Okay, so I don't want you to go into that experience. It's not funny at all. Okay, especially in this part of the globe, Nigeria. Okay, so you know where you're getting your laptops, your fairly used MacBook. It will help you. So if you get a good one like these ones I have, there's no wahala, no issues with this one. So they are very good. They're okay. They are serving me. I do my editing, 6 gig, 10 gig videos. It will render them with very fast speed. So for you that is going for M1, M2, M3, M4, keep throwing that money. You think that is the only laptop that you are coming to buy. You have to need other gears. If you have the money, no problem. If you're $10 Dangote, why am I disturbing myself? You can get them now. But if you're on budget and you need other things, you need other gears, you have to cut down on some certain things. They are not necessary for now. What you just need is to make meaningful videos, create good videos that will go to social media, and you are good to go. So how you create them does not really matter. What matters is that the result is good. That is it. So if you use a cheap laptop to create them, and at the end of the day, the same thing a laptop for 4 million can do, a laptop of 800,000, 900,000 did the same job. Who cares? Who cares how much you spend on the gears? Nobody cares. What people care is that you have a meaningful content that can stand the test of time. That is just it. You have a meaningful content, video quality is okay, audio quality is okay, good and fine. Mind you, 70% of your video depends on your audio. So your audio is very important. So that's why you need to spend much resources, money, and on microphone, good quality microphone. Rode will give you the best of the best. Boya is good, DJI is good. Also, Holy Land, they are good. So mark this brand I'm calling now, Holy Land, Rode, DJI, and Boya. They are good. So depending on the amount you have, you can start with Boya Mic 2. Boya Mic 2 is good. So Rode Wireless Pro is good. Rode Wireless Go, Rode Wireless Me, and DJI Mic 2, Mic 3, they are good. They are good mics. Holy Land Mark 2 and Mark 1, they are good mics. They are good mics. So these are mics that you can interface with your phone. It works very well. So like the Rode Wireless Pro, I'm using here, I interface it with my phone. It's working very well. It's working very well. So I interface it through the USB. That's a USB cable. Let me show you. So that's what I'm using. It's in my camera now, so I'm using it. So I can't be able to bring it out, but it has a lot of accessory. It has a USB. You download Rode Central app. You connect it to Rode Central app, and you are good to go. So let me make this video short. Let me just go straight to the point. So what I'm saying is that you see how I cut costs. So my laptop is not up to. If you want to get the best of the best, just keep budgets about 800, 850. Now, 2025, September 2025, that's when I'm making this video. So budget about 800K, 850, 800K, 900K to have a quality MacBook Pro 2017. 4 gig dedicated graphic memory, 16 gig RAM, 512 ROM, and you are good to go. So mind you, I said 4 gig dedicated graphic memory, 4 gig dedicated for your graphics, for your video editing, for posting on Facebook. Sometimes I post 2 hours video, high graphics on Facebook. It will not take me time. In 1 hour, 30 minutes is done. I posted. So you can't post such with, no phone can post such in Facebook. You can't try it with iPhone 16, iPhone 25 Pro Max, if you like. You can't post 2 hours video. HD, 1080p, 1920 by 1080p, full HD on Facebook. 6 hours video, 2 hours video, even 1 hour video. So such high graphic video, you post them with your laptop. A laptop that has a dedicated graphic memory that can launch, that can encode very fast. So such videos, like you see me, I have a long tutorials. I normally do Arduino tutorials, motor control tutorials, and rest of them, and all the tutorials that I'm doing. Some of them, my tutorials are always lengthy because it gives me time to. I don't compress. I don't like a situation whereby what am I hurrying for? So if the ones you don't want, you skip them. You can jump them. I want the ones you want. So I take time to explain myself, to explain whatever I'm doing on social media and on my tutorial. So my tutorials are always lengthy. Even this one will be lengthy too. So you cut the ones you want and pick the ones you don't, cut the ones you don't want and pick the ones you want. That is it. So I'm not expecting you to watch from beginning to the end. But if you want to watch from beginning to the end, that is up to you. So you need all this information. You watch them. So for me to launch those videos on Facebook, I don't use phone. So that's why some people go live, because their phone cannot launch even 10 minutes video on Facebook because of the type of phone you are using. You are not using laptop. But when you use a laptop to post on Facebook or YouTube, it gives you that opportunity to post long hour videos, high graphic videos on Facebook, and you find that the quality remains the same. So that is the essence of using a Mac. So you see me, I use a Mac. I like Windows. Yes, their Windows can still give you, but personally I choose Mac. They are very fast. Macs are very fast. So whenever I'm doing something like video editing, gaming, encoding, posting high graphic videos on social media like YouTube, I use Mac. They are very fast. So I use Mac. I use my Wi-Fi. I don't use my hotspot in my phone with my hotspot. I use Wi-Fi. I use MTN 5G. So if you have a Starlink Mini, Starlink, normal Starlink, all those ones will help you. You post very fast. You use Starlink, you post very fast. But if you don't have money for Starlink, just go and get MTN Wi-Fi. Go to where you have a very good network. You can post very fast, high graphic videos on Facebook, on YouTube. So that is it. So I'm trying to, tell you the secrets, how to do this. to post long hour videos on YouTube, on Facebook, on any other social media handle that you want to buy. So is it now? I have my laptop, which is not more than 850,000 naira. I have my combo, this with the microphones, which is around the same amount, 700K, 700K. Then I have what again? I have my phone. This is phone in Nigeria now is 280,000. So this is phone 280,000 naira. So you calculate it. Then I have my gimbal, which is I'm going for the combo because I like going for the pro or the combo or the best of the best at that model. So it's DJI Mini 4, DJI RS Mini Combo. So this is it, RS Mini Combo, DJI RS Mini Combo. So this is what I'm going for. Okay, then that is it. I use it to capture. So with this, at a glance, you don't need much. You don't need most of the cameras I'm using. I'm using it for a purpose because I'm not the only one using it here. Other people are using it and coming to this place. So for you to start, you just need your phone, you need your laptop, and you need a gimbal, and you need a microphone. You are good to go. So you need a laptop, you need a phone, a very good phone, you need a very good microphone, and you need a gimbal. You are good to go. You use the laptop to edit, to post some videos that are very long, high graphical videos. You post it with your laptop so that you will not suffer your phone. Your phone will suffer. Your phone will be moving. But before it will post that video, it will take long time. So with laptop, it's easy. Not every laptop or laptop with a dedicated graphic memory, GPU of 4 gig. Don't go less than a GPU of 4 gig, and don't go less than a RAM of 16 gig. I'm giving you the spec now. GPU 4 gig, RAM 16 gig. These are the minimum you can go. You can go with a 512 ROM or 1 terabyte of your SSD. Understand? So these are laptop that is good for a content creator, for a tech person. So you go for those laptops, they will help you. So you go for a gimbal. Gimbal will help you if you're on the road, wherever you want to do something, some places that is shaking, your hand is shaking, you use your gimbal. But gimbal is secondary. So you can use any selfie stick stand. I have one here so I have this long. I have this long. This is L16 selfie stick to hold my phone. It's good. In as much that I have camera stand up and down here. I have camera stand. I can see I can pan it. I have camera stand, good camera stand. But I still have this for my phone. So I have this on my phone. Okay, good and fine. So you see, these are the things that will help you to make a good content, and you will not be struggling creating content. You will not be struggling creating content. So this is it. So you go for a good microphone, a good gimbal, a good phone. Like I told you, this phone is doing the job very well. The videos are shot with, you can see the videos, you can see the video that I'm going to add the videos now. The videos will be playing that I shot with this. You can see the videos with Blackmagic Camera app. Also, the link to download Blackmagic Camera app will be on the down below this video. So you see the link, you download it. If you don't understand, chat me up. I will tell you how to, because it can be tricky. It's not easy to download, but I will tell you the capacity, your phone capacity. You can't see it in Play Store. You can't go to Play Store. If you have an iPhone, I think you can get it in App Store. Yeah, free. Blackmagic Camera app. If you're using Android, you can't see it. The one in the Play Store will not work. So use my link. If you use my link, you get the one that will work. And you install it with an APK app. So you first of all download an APK app. From the APK app, that is how you can install it in your phone. So if you download it, you don't have APK app, it can't work. So APK app is in Play Store. You download APK app, then you download the Blackmagic, use my link and download the Blackmagic Camera app, and you are good to go. If you are download 3.0. If 3.0 works with your phone, very fine. There are other lower ones that if 3.0 cannot work, you go lower to the ones that can work with your phone. There are series of them, release of them. The firmwares are there. So you download them. It will help you to shoot on manual. By the time you shoot on manual, you find out that your phone will perform amazing wonders. A lot of wonders. Your phone you will be asking yourself, is this phone? It's performing wonders. Like what I did with this. You can see the videos are super. They are super graded. They are mind blowing videos. I shot it with this phone, with this one. Yes, with this phone. I don't have any other phone. This is the phone I have. Every other phone I bought it before this one. I have other phones, but those ones. I prefer using this one because of I want to teach about, I want to review, I'm doing a review on it, so I want to use it very well to the maximum, so to see the flaws. For now, I don't have any issues. I've not discovered the flaws. If I discover, I will still come back and here and tell you what I discovered, the flaws on the phone. But for now, I've not seen any flaws on this phone. Some people will say Infinix. We are doing an argument. I went to a shop. Somebody was using it. I said Infinix. I said try it. I've used your Samsung. I've used this one. And I'm an Apple freak. I know Apple ecosystem. They are good, but they are expensive. What I'm saying is that I'm not saying that Samsung is not good. Samsung S25 Ultra is good. iPhone 16 Pro Max is good, but I'm checking the cost. If I spend iPhone 16 Pro Max of 1 terabyte, I spend up to 3.something million to buy. All this 3.something million will buy everything I have, everything, including my laptop and everything. I bought it with 3.5 million. Yes, now. Everything that I have here, 3.something million, I bought it. I bought the mic, I bought this phone, I bought the laptop, everything. So be wise. And I will still do better videos than you. Yes, I will still do better videos, editing, post online, have a better content than you with the same 3.5 million. So you don't go and throw 3.5 million in one phone, one single phone, 3.5 million. For what now? 3.5 million, one single phone. Why you will get this one, 380,000, 400,000 naira, depending where you're getting it from. You go to Carlos Miller, 380,000 naira. I bought this one from there, Port Harcourt. Carlos Miller, 380,000 naira. As of the time I bought it. Yes. So you go and buy. In Computer Village, you see them, they are cheaper. There, you get them. Then you get all those things, all those gears, you combine them. You have not even spent up to, okay, let's calculate it now. Let's do the mathematics. Let's do the mathematics so that I'll show you. So if I have 300K, I have my pen and paper. I have 380K for phone Infinix. Then I have mic. 700, let's say 750K. 750K. Then I have laptop, MacBook Pro 2017, and with all the spec I told you, I have it at 850K. 850K. Then I have which other one I told you about? I have a gimbal DJI of 700K. 700K. So let's calculate. So I have my mic, DJI gimbal. So I have my mic and my phone, my Mac, my computer. So the four of them. So I have 380, 750, 850, 700. So let me calculate with my phone. Let me calculate so that let's be mathematical about it. This is economics, content creation economics, your gears and gadgets. So I have 350 plus 750 plus 850. 850 naira, 850K naira plus 700K, 700,000 naira. My people, I have 2.650 million. It has not even, this 2.650 million, iPhone 16 Pro Max, 1 terabyte. Let's check now. We are on system here. Let me show you. Let's go to Jumia. Let's use Jumia price. Let's use Jumia as a standard price now. Okay, so I have how much? I have 2.6. 2.650 M. Okay. So I have this iPhone 16 Pro Max, 8 gig, 256 gigabytes, and 5G, which is say Desert Titanium. Okay, good and fine. This is the same quality, the same spec with this my phone here. So the same spec with this one. So this phone is 8 gig. 8 gig plus 8 gig. This is even 16 gig. So this is even 16 gig. This is 8 gig plus 8 gig. This is 8 gig plus 8 gig. So let me just go to the features of the phone. I'll show you. Let me go to the features of the phone. So this is model Infinix 6855, CPU Helio G100 Ultimate, RAM 8 gig plus 8 gig, good and fine, which is 16 gig. Rear camera is 50 M. OIS plus 8M. Front camera is 32 M. Okay, which is the selfie camera, megapixels. Okay, so battery is 512 and the screen is 1080 by 2436. 1080, not by 1920, 1080 by 2436. Android version is what? Android 15. Okay, good and fine. So this is at a glance, this is the feature. This is the spec of this phone, Infinix Note 50 Pro. Okay, now let's go to this. Let me show you. So we are building a case together and we pass judgment. So these are the key features, specification. So you have iOS 18, rear camera 48 MB, front camera 12, RAM, internal memory 256. Internal memory of this thing, this one is the same, same. Screen size 6.9 inches. Okay, and the 5G, yes. Processor A18 Pro, 5 gig, yes. 5G, this is 4G, this is not 5G. Battery capacity 4000. The battery capacity of this is 5200. Okay, charging wired. Okay, so net weight and weight is 5. Weight, is it? What is it? Is it 5 kg? Kg 5? I don't understand. Is it up to 5 kg? Okay, so this is model iPhone 16 Pro Max, 256 GB Desert. Okay, good and fine. Okay, let's go for iPhone 16 Pro Max. iPhone 16 Pro Max of 1 terabyte. Let's see how much that one it cost. This is iPhone 16 Pro Max 1 terabyte, 1 TB, 1 TB, 1 TB price in Nigeria. Okay, let's go to the same Jumia. Oh, okay, good and fine. You can see now. So you have 3.6 million. I'm coming. 3.6 million. Some of you that you think that you are wise, you are not wise. You are just showing off. Economically, you are not wise. I'm trying to teach you now. You have to be wise. Use your head. Use your brain. Engage your brain before you engage your pocket. Before you engage your money, engage your brain first. Ask question. Go for information like this. So go for information like this. Ask question. Engage your head before you engage your pocket. It's not because you have the money you'll be throwing it away. Let me answer that I have iPhone. Understand? So when my phone ring, they will not say I get iPhone. So it's not all about, if you have the money for it, if you're a billionaire, if you're a millionaire, nothing, that one is nothing. You can afford it. You can throw your money on M4 Mac, the best of the Mac. You get iPhone. You do everything you have because those things they are just in Igbo they say Selenwego, the top of money. You have not gone down to the bottom pots. They just change, chicken change. Now small money, Nigeria, now small money. Okay, good and fine. So if you have the money, you can spend money on those things. But if you are you are starting up, you want to start your content creation journey. So you don't spend such money because your skills have to come to play. Your talent has to come to play. A lot of things are involved. Which content am I even going to create? So if I'm creating it, I don't want to have technical issues. Let me just know that I have content, I have skill issues. I have skill issues. But anything that has to do with technical issues, the gears, quality gears, I have quality gears. So you have eliminated those ones. I don't have technical issues again. I don't have gear issues. My gears can deliver very well. Just what I just need to is to concentrate on my content, be skillful about whatever thing I'm doing, and create a quality, good content that you have more views, and before you know it, you are there. So this is it. So I'm trying to help you out so that you also help yourself. So I've done the mathematics for you. I showed you. This is the amount. I'm using Jumia. 3.6 million. 3.6 million. Everything that I used here is 2.8. And they are quality gears. They are quality gears. My phone, I will show you the videos is playing now. You've seen the videos. I did with Blackmagic 3.0 camera app. I did with Infinix Note 50 Pro, which is 380,000 naira. Yes, 380K. Go to Carlos Miller. If you're in Port Harcourt, you get it. Go to Computer Village. If you're in Lagos, Nigeria, you get it. Port Harcourt, go to Carlos Miller. They are selling good phones there. You get the best of the Infinix there. Yes, 380,000. You have it. So why are you spending money to go and buy Samsung them and the rest of them? They are good too. They are good phones. But if you have what you have, if you're on a budget, if you're on a budget, if you're not a budget, good. If you're on a budget, so this is how to cut cost for you. I am teaching you how to cut cost, cut the cost. Okay, so that is it. So I'm wrapping up. I've shown you the videos, important videos, the videos I made with the phone. They are okay. My mic is Rode Wireless Pro mic. So my gimbal here is DJI and RS 4 mini gimbal. You can see it. That's a very good gimbal. I'll mount my phone on it. I'll show you how. I'll show you now. Okay, let me show you. I'll mount my phone. Okay, so let me just focus on me. Okay, good. So you can see if I'm turning, you can see it. You can see. So any place I go, it will go with me. You can see. You can see. You can see. Okay, if I stand up, it will stand up with me. If I sit down, will sit down with me. You can see. You see, this is the AI tracking. This is how it works. You can see it. You can see it. So that is it. That is the gimbal for you. So anything that I'm doing, it will be doing it with me. So I can position it like this. It will just be what? It will just be going along with me. Then my microphone. Then this is it. This is where the catch. This is the catch now. Now, you find out that it can carry the microphone, my mic. I can remove the mic. Let me use this as an example. Let me use this guy as an example. So let me use it because this is how I balance it. I balance it with this mic. So it has a magnet. I balance it with the mic. So I have, let's assume this is the receiver. Let's assume this is the receiver because I will have the mic here. Then I have the receiver on the gimbal. You understand? So I have the mic here. Then I will have the receiver on the gimbal. So let's assume this is the receiver, but I'm using the mic for this recording. So I'm not going to pull it out because this is how I'm using it to capture this sound. So, but let's assume this is the receiver because they are the same size. So what I normally do is use your USB, connect to the phone. So now this is where I normally keep it. Let's show you. Let me show you. So I keep it here. Then passes this one and connects it here. You understand? So as I'm going, it's going with the mic. So my voice, I capture my voice with the mic. You can see it. I'm turning, it's turning. I'm turning, it's turning. So you need amazing gears like this. So you don't need to be wasting your money on one phone. What's the money that you are going? Look at the amount. 3.6 million. iPhone 16 Pro Max. 3.6 million. Naira. So you need other gears. You need this economics. Some people don't even have this information of all this, the amount, the prices of all these things, and where you can get them. If you don't know how to get them, inbox me. I will help you to get all of them. This is what I will help you to get all the gears at affordable price. I'm here to help you. So you get all those gears at affordable price. So you can see. So I'm turning, it's turning. If I stand up, it will stand up with me. If I sit down, it will sit down with me. So the AI tracking sensor is tracking my movements. So it's helping me to be on focus. So whatever I'm doing is doing it. You understand? So you can see. So whatever thing I'm doing is doing. So look at it. So if I stand up, he will stand up with me. If I sit down, he will sit down with me. As you can see. So you need a gimbal like this. Okay, why I choose this, I don't have Osmo Mobile 6 or Mobile 7, is that this can also work with my mirrorless camera, in as much as working with my phone. So I use my head. I told you before I engage my money, I engage my head first. So I like multipurpose gears. I like multipurpose gears. When I get this from people who are asking me, what am I using this to do? This is a multipurpose. It's a recorder. It's an audio interface. It's a mixer. It's so many things jam-packed into this. This is Zoom H8. So you also need this kind of equipment. So multitasking and multipurpose equipment. So I can use it to record my voice. I can use it, normally those shooting movies, they normally use it. I have it. So it's an audio interface. I can use it in the studio to capture my head to Logic. It's a recorder. It's a mixer. I can use it just for normal music, stuff like that. It's good. So I like multipurpose gears. So I asked myself, I have a camera. I don't want to go for the high-end DJI, which is about 1 point something, 2 million, those ones. So I need something that can work with my phone and can also work with my with my camera. So I have it. This one, the DJI, the DJI RS4 Mini Combo works. It's a perfect one. So if you want something that can work, if you have a Canon M50 Mark II, Canon RS10 mirrorless camera, if you have a mirrorless camera, it works with it. So the payload is 2 kg. It's a 2 kg payload. So it can work with your phone, any phone, it can work with your phone. You can interface it, you can, if you don't want to remove the track, you just press 1, remove it, so you can return it to, it will return, yes, it will return back to, if I want to do selfie, I can press 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, it will turn, okay, so it will do selfie. So it do selfie, I use my front camera, my selfie camera. So I can still press 1, 2, 3 to return it. 1, 2, sorry. 1, 2, it will return. Then I'll press 1. Okay. Or I can do gesture control. I can do gesture. I can use my hand. Yes. Okay. I can do my hand again. Good. I can use gesture control to do the tracking. Okay. So whichever one. So it works, it's good. It works perfectly well. So I've shown you the gears I'm using, well, what I'm using to create my content. So you go and do your own homework. Know the best that you might not need everything that I'm using. So the lighting is very important. I'm using a cheap lighting. I'm not even using studio light. I did the lights as an electrical person. I did the light myself. I went to the market. I bought a C-Touch 60 watts lamp, put it on a stand, and position it in such a way that I'll have a good lighting. So that is my spec. That is, I don't want to have too much lighting. For example, if I on the other one, it will be too bright. Let me just show you. So you can see now, this is too bright for me. To me, this is too bright. So I don't want it to be as bright as like this. I don't want too bright. I don't want it to be bright. You can see this one now. It's too bright. So I don't want to be too bright. So I want something that's a little bit dim. So I don't like bright light. So that is for me. To you, you might say, okay, this is okay for you. But to me, this is how I want it. So I don't like too much bright light. So, okay, so it depends. This is how I capture my tutorial. So that is it. So you find a way that suits you, gathering all this information, knowing fully well that it is not the gears that is doing the content for you. You are the one. It is your skills and what you have in your head that is doing the content. So the gears will just help you. That is it. The gears will just help you to create a meaningful and a good content. Mind you, audio is very, very important. So spend quality, spend on a good microphone. So I'm using Rode Wireless Pro. That does not mean that you use Rode Wireless Pro. I've mentioned DJI. I've mentioned Holy Land. I mentioned Boya, Boya Mic 2, and DJI. There are good DJI Holy Land Mark 2, DJI Mic 3, Mic 2. That is it. So you can use those ones, and they are good. Rode Wireless Pro, Rode Wireless Me, Rode Wireless Go 2. So these are good mics. So you can use them depending. This is the highest of them, or Rode Wireless Pro on the wireless. So it's more expensive than the other ones. The other ones are cheaper. The Wireless Me, the Wireless Go 2, they are cheaper. So I have the reason of getting this one because these ones I have all the accessories. So I will advise you, if you want to get this one so that you have the accessories. You don't need to be buying all these things one after the other. If you go to Rode Wireless Go 2, you don't have this box, you don't have the charging case, you don't have a lot of things you don't have, and you'll be limited. You'll be limited. So as the time progresses, I will show you the multidimensional aspect of these gears. It's not only for this purpose I explained. Like I told you how I use the Rode Wireless Pro to capture my sound from my RX Stream Solo. How I use it to capture wirelessly to my camera with RX Stream Solo. I showed you how I use it with this. So by the time we go on, you see the multidimensional aspect of these gears. So they are multidimensional. So I like buying multipurpose gears, multidimensional gears. So that is it. Just like this one, you can see it. I can use it in my camera. I can use it in my phone. So that is it. So I think I've done justice to some of the confusing, questions, some of the confusing, in this content creation. Some people, you might not have this information, but I'm trying to now to expatiate to tell you this is how to cut cost. So everything we calculated, the phone is 380K, the mic is 750K, the MacBook Pro 2017 MacBook Pro 850K, the DJI, this DJI I'm using, this gimbal here is 700K. As of the time I bought it, now it might have get to 750. I don't know. This is September 2025. So as of the time I bought it, that should be, is this 6 months ago? 6 months ago is 700. I bought it 700 6 months ago. So now in Nigeria, our economy is not stable for now, but God will help us. The economy will be stable in Jesus' name. Okay, so it might be 750, but everything I calculated on the amount I bought them, so is 2.650 million. 2.650 million. It is not iPhone 16 Pro Max 1 terabyte. Is it 1 terabyte? This is 12. It's not even 1 terabyte. This is 512 gig. I'm just here to expose you on how to do content creation economics, to be budget conscious about whatever you are doing. So this is what I'm here for. I'm not here to do review on phones and this thing, but the few information that I have, that's what I'm sharing with you. Okay, this is Mr. Great here in Mr. Great Studio. I know you must have learned a lot. How to cut cost, how to be budget conscious. I've exposed a lot of gears that you might not even know that they're existing and the amount. So you go do your own mathematics, do your own economics, and get the best that suits you. Remember, if you have an issue in getting those gears, let me know. Chat me up, contact Mr. Great, and I will help you out. I'm willing to help you out. Okay, bye for now. This is Mr. Great here in Mr. Great Studio. Bye for now. God bless you.